Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the look at people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video.